Friday night storm update, and storm is the word. I tell you, anytime you track a storm, there's always going to be changes. The wobbles back and forth are perfectly normal. It's not anything unusual. But in this particular case, we've seen some pretty significant shifts very close to the event, and these shifts are making a difference between low snow amounts and fairly significant snow amounts that you're going to see in a minute that I'm upping the forecast to. And I anticipate there will be even a little bit more shifting as the final model runs come in tonight. Here's our storm system now. This is going to develop and explode and go up the coast. You can see this is the North American model, shows where we're at today. By the time we get to, say, tomorrow morning early, you can see snow is breaking out in the Carolinas, in Virginia, getting into Delaware, South Jersey. And now if I zoom in here a little bit, you could see that this precipitation shield is going to make it all the way back into potentially northwestern Jersey. We're going to see there's going to definitely be a bust zone in here, but who's a lock right now? Long Island. Cape Cod is the epicenter. Rhode Island, most of Massachusetts, half of Connecticut, Jersey Shore, southern Delaware. I mean, you guys are going to see at 5 to as much as 12 inches of snow. And, if the NAM wasn't enough, this has been the most aggressive model, but all the models are following suit. For instance, this was this afternoon. This is this evening's run. Even if I ship now to the GFS, which has been more conservative, this was its run this morning, okay? And then watch the trend throughout the day. I mean, this is just remarkable. 1, 2. To bring this back in. So it's not as aggressive as the NAM, but I actually think that the NAM has a one-up on some of the models here, which I hate to say because usually I think the NAM is overdone, but they're all responding to the bold solutions that the NAM are making. And I think, like I said, there'll be some continuing trends west tonight. Not a lot more, but excuse me, you could see maybe another 30 miles west or so. And, like I said, this is my snow forecast. So I really updated it from this morning. Foot plus Cape, 5 to 8 inches down the Jersey Shore, Connecticut, Rhode Island, and then 3 to 6. And there will be a bust zone here, so I have 1 to 2 on the outskirts. So really interesting stuff, guys. The short waves that are making up this storm are finally starting to now materialize and form the storm. And that's why these latest model runs coming in about a couple hours will tell the tale. But again, I like what I have, had to make some changes, but hey, that's what makes this fun. Thanks for checking in. More updates tomorrow.